I saw your design. Yeah, I really love that design. That aesthetic view you gave it. How will I even put it? It's so outstanding. Yeah. Actually, it's looking nice. Yeah. Even my clients just confirm it. But I really want to ask, that font style you make. Yes, I would like to make use of that font. Can you please tell me the name of the font so that I can just make a search and then use it on my next design? I really love it. The fonts. Yes, that font. Yeah. The font name. Yes, that font. That font. Why do I want to know the name? No. Don't. You're creative too. Make search. Go and search yourself, bro. Show me that font. Just simple. The name. I just want to know. Go and sort it out. No. Sort it out yourself. Just go. Bro. Just the name. No, bro. Just no. How do you want? No. Go and sort it out yourself, bro. Yeah, sort it out yourself. You're creative. Sort it out yourself. Yeah. Go and sort it out yourself. So yeah, that's my creative. You saw a design actually, and you really want to make use of the font. That font is very outstanding, but you don't know the name. How can you figure out? Don't worry, I've come with a solution in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you two proven ways. Yes, two proven ways in which you can identify the name of that font you are looking for, and then you use it in your next project design. So if you see that this is what you want and you see that this will be helpful, just kindly give a like to this video, hit that like button, and then subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified on videos that are so educative, so valuable. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, subscribe. So just simple, hit it and then turn on the notification bell. Alright, let's move into the video. Let me show you how. Firstly, head into your Chrome browser and search for WhatTheFont. Yes, this very one. You click on it. So after it's open, there are two methods in which you can search for it right from this very site. You can paste the link to the very font in which you want to search for it, or if you have it as an image on your phone, then you upload it. So I'm going to make an upload. So you can drag this bar to the very particular font in which you want to search for it. See, it's moving. You can drag it and then you click on identify font. So this is the first method on how to identify font. After a few moments, you are going to find several names, suggested names for the very font. Head over to your ChatGPT and then upload the image. And type this prompt: identify the font on this file. So we all have it here. Thank you so much for watching. So you all have it here. This is how to identify the name of a font in any design. So here you've gotten it. These are the two proven ways in which you can make use of to know that very font name you are looking for. Until now you haven't subscribed. Why haven't you subscribed? Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.